Also for information so kojo upon kroma e to radio stations ahodo nyina nim ne titiw ne won e won kronkuma na se mia hodo a ya na basabasa ye yi ne tie wo ho no wo mo hwɛ sɛ wo mo nsɛm ka ye mu won twere ye mu no won ka nsɛm adi asomdue beba ente sa e ho na so saa no na wo sɛ ka bi gumu ne ade no be wi akire na agye nsɛm Adom Kasee etwaso
houses that operate particularly in areas where sometimes conflicts may rise up. In Boko and other places, I'm sure you are familiar with the stories of how media houses or radio sometimes have contributed to the conflict instead of helping to bring about radio and peace. I mean, to bring about peace in those times. And so on a day like this, as we celebrate World Radio Day, with the theme Radio and Peace, we would like to in particular remind our colleagues who operate in places where sometimes tensions may rise, where sometimes there may be conflict, that we have a particular responsibility to help in the exercise to bring peace and unity and not necessarily fuel it. And on this day, we celebrate all who are in this industry. I thank you for your time.